we discuss till here various concepts from physics. Now we are switching over to chemistry part. Now you have knowledge of various things, and if not, we are discussing simultaneously. So some concepts I have to introduce again and again that we'll discuss in later phase. Now in case of chemistry, whatever topic we are going to discuss, that is the topic atomic structure. Now this topic is there in chemistry, this topic is there in physics also, because both physics and chemistry, they are actually having foundation in this atomic structure. So first we are discussing here with atomic structure. Now various attempts were made to find out what is the atom. Initially, say for example, what is the concept of atom? Why in case of chemistry I must study out atom in detail? That we are going to discuss first. Say for example, various objects are there. These objects, say for example, what whiteboard I am having. What is the whiteboard is made up of? Say my body is there. What is that body is made up of? What is this suit is made up of? And all that. We may say that this is made up of some polymer material. Alright, but what is the meaning of polymer? Our body is made up of protein, carbohydrate, etc. But what is the meaning of protein? What is carbohydrate? And like that. Ultimately, we are having knowledge that all these things, whatever the polymer or whatever the wood, various stars or planets, satellites, all these are made up of smaller fundamental particles. And then by uniting that particle together, we are getting the substance. So what is that fundamental particle? In old days, there were doubt that really such particle is existing or not. In Greek ideology, some Democritus was there. He considered the concept of atom in their ideology. In India, the name of person is Aulukya. I am revising name of person, that is Aulukya. He put forward the concept of atom. Now there is a scripture that is called as Vaisheshika Darshan. I am revising name of that scripture in Sanskrit, that is called as Vaisheshik Darshan. That was given out by this Aulukya. What Aulukya says, this universe, whatever you are observing, this universe is manifestation of smaller particles. He called that as an atom. He said the concept Anu. Anu stands for atom. According to him, world is made up of, or this universe is made up of these all atoms. Atoms combine to give molecule, and so on. Some concepts were given by that. He was not believing in God. He was believing in atom rather. In Sanskrit, that small particle is also called as Kana. And so this Aulukya was entitled by people as Kanad. Now this is famous in history under the name of Kanad, but his original name is not Kanad. His original name is Aulukya. At time of death, people ask him, okay, now whatever the life is gone, that is all right. But at time of death also, please, you should take name of God. No, he says no. And he died by saying Pilavaha Pilavaha. That means molecule and atom, like that something. So this way, the concepts were developed by Kanad in India. Now, in various Indian scriptures, we are having clear-cut concepts again and again. That is the smallest particle, that is atom. But in Europe, there was doubt that whether this theory is correct or not. The Dalton is the person who was able to give scientific explanation about the atoms. And now it is accepted fact, because we are able to prove the presence of atom, not only atom, subatomic particles. That is, the particles present in atom, they are called as subatomic particles, and like that science developed out. Now I am not going in history at detail here, we are discussing here a scientific way, and so whatever the structure I want to tell, that I am able to I am trying to give you. Say whatever the material is made up of, that is made up of a substance that is called as a molecule. So when I am saying there is a plastic, there is a polymer, protein, lipid, carbohydrate, salt, all these are molecules. They are also called as compounds, but we are here calling as molecule. So try to get this vision first. Whatever my body is there, that is also made up of molecule. Your body, that is also made up of molecule. So everywhere here on earth, we are getting molecules, molecules and molecules. Whatever the atmosphere or air is there in between, that is also molecule. So you will get everywhere molecules. Now, if you carry out certain procedure, say for example heating out a molecule or carrying out electrolysis of molecule, carrying out any other chemical composition of molecule, then we are getting ultimate a fine piece that is not able to divide any further. Okay, something you will get abstract, we can check out whatever I want to tell here. So first thing I want to tell about a substance, a simple substance. We are calling this as calcium carbonate. You are aware, all right. If you are not aware, then try to keep in mind Ca stands for calcium, C stands for carbon, and O stands for oxygen. So this is CaCO3. Here calcium, one atom is there, carbon, one atom is there, and oxygen, 3 atoms are there. So you will get here calcium 1 atom, carbon 1 atom and oxygen 3 atom combined together. We are getting calcium carbonate. How we are writing out reaction? We are giving some symbols here. I am directly teaching you. So if you are heating out this triangle, that means heating. So if you are heating out this calcium carbonate, then after strong heating, say around 500 to 600 degrees Celsius, if you are heating out, you are getting a substance. This is called as calcium oxide, CaO, plus carbon dioxide. This arrow indicates gas. So this is coming out. So we are getting calcium 1 atom, oxygen 1 atom, carbon 1 atom, oxygen 3 atom. If you count out the number of atoms over here, calcium 1, carbon also 1, and oxygen 3 atoms. Check out 1 carbon, 1 calcium, 1 carbon and 3 oxygen. Here calculate calcium, we are getting 1, no other calcium is there. Carbon, check out only 1. Oxygen, check out 1 plus 2, that is 3. So left hand side and right hand side is balanced. Then I can call this equation as balance equation. In chemistry, writing equation is really important, and second, writing balance equation is more important.